Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today, we have this lovely multi-tool with this nice rosewood handle. So let's open it up. I'll give you a closer look at all the features in a minute. So to start with, it's got this lovely set of pliers on it. Let me just turn that off so the glare goes off. So we have the pliers on here. We also have some wire cutters. It's made out of stainless steel. Quite handy, we give you a fair amount of grip. Also we have in here a flat-headed screwdriver, a bit driver, which more on that in a minute, another blade, I believe that's a can opener, and then we have a bottle opener. And on this side we have the blade, which is UK legally safe according to the listing, so that's good. We also have a little saw and a little file on the edge of the saw. I don't know if you can see that here, let me try and get a bit closer for you, but yep. We also have a Phillips and another flathead. Let's pop all these away. And let's talk about the bit driver. So this is a bit driver. It's a 1/4 inch bit driver. It also comes with these lovely bits. So as you can see, we have a selection of different size bits, and as well as a bit holder. So you pop this out, then get it out. They are quite stiff. There we are. Almost got defeated by that then. And then, as you can see, there's a bit holder. And then you pick one of your lovely bits. It comes with a variety of bits, as I said. We have this bit on, and then you can just unscrew. I find it always useful to put it in this foot for configuration for unscrewing, or this one. Then you get plenty of torque on the fastener that you're trying to undo. You can also put a any 1/4 inch socket on here. So if you have any 1/4 inch sockets, slide it on here and you're good to go. Very useful getting 10mm out, I will say that. Nice good closing. Very little handy tool. Like I said, opens quickly. The knife surprised me by just how sharp it was out the packet, shall I say. I've had this for a while and I haven't had to sharpen it. It's also got Allen screws for if you need to adjust anything. I should also mention they come with this lovely tough carry case which fits everything in nicely. So just pop this open, and then the knife slides in here, or the pen knife or the multi-tool slides in here, and then this also drives in here. Slides I mean. And then you fit on your belt if you need to. It's got a nice belt hoop. Overall, I generally carry this. Mainly I use it for unboxings, and as you've seen for some previous unboxing shorts. My final thoughts on this multi-tool. I really do like it. It's something that I like to have with me most of the time. Like I said, I mainly use it for unboxings up here in the office. Occasionally it'll come outside with me for cutting string and stuff. The wire cutters come in handy. I even used it for the other pair, if you see the key video I did not too long ago. But yeah, overall, handy little thing to have. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.